Let me start recording. Yo, what's up, guys? How are you all? So today we are playing Roblox Rivals with my guy Dragon Avery here. Why can't I join you? You know what? I'm going to join you. Today Thakuna is not here because Thakuna went to get the milk.
He died in a tragic accident.
Unfortunately, he died in Rivals.
No, he got the spear and I was playing on Singapore, so I had 9 FPS. He was killing me.
So you got cooked.
Yes. But let me remind you, I had 9 FPS, 9 FPS and 1000 ping. Bro, for
Bro,
me in the
accept
daily
it.
shop,
Accept it.
listen, my daily shop, I have the pixel minigun and I have the laser gun minigun.
I have Pixel Sniper. Everything in my daily shop is mythic, bro. Void pistols, firework gun, electro Uzi, hotel bell.
I'm honestly now considering on what weapon should I buy. Should I buy the flamethrower? Should I buy the energy pistol? Should I buy the XP gun? Or should I buy the subtwisted? Now I'm considering it, bro.
Me is buying energy pistols. You buy whatever you want.
Honestly, I
Flamethrower is
also think I
bad.
should buy
Flamethrower is bad.
on arena. And in
It's
case someone comes
cringe.
to you quickly,
It's cringe. Medkit is not considered cringe. It's a 3v3,
seriously.
2v2v2. Just a reminder, it's a 2v2v2. Now I'd win.
Nah, I win.
Just
Nah,
reminder 2.0, this is a 2v2v2.
yes, basically people are gonna be on both sides.
Yes. So we need to camp here. We need to camp here. I'm camping. That's the base camp. One guy has subsist strip mine. Don't go anywhere. Why are you fighting? Let them fight. We'll do what later. One guy is pay to win. Full pay to win. Wait, we'll fight later. The guy coming on our face, we'll fight them only. Wait, I have medkit. That's the reason I bought medkit. You dead.
Oh no, no.
Yes, good.
Location.
Okay, so it's a 2v2 now. But they have an advantage on us. I'm going close. I have shorty. I'm going close.
Sorry.
Where?
He's where we previously were. He's there where we previously were. Previously, our spawn point.
How did that not hit?
And where is the other guy? That's the reason.
There.
Did bro want to get milk? Oh,
Nah, I'd win. Shit, never mind. I'm dead.
you're dead from both sides.
Time over. Not my fault. Bro, listen. We are not fighting the first two guys. We are going underground and staying there.
Yeah, okay, wait.
Let those two fight each other. Come here. We'll camp. Never mind. The moment I say bro came down here. Both of them actually. Because why not? If you can kill him.
He knifed me. He's basically the same HP as you. He is knife.
I don't care, let those.
Oh my god!
What the hell? Why the hell?
Stared into his soul.
Why is there? Why are they just.
Ahmad, we should choose then. One of us has to choose the flare gun.
Listen. I have an idea. I may not have a brain, gentlemen, but I do have an idea.
Ahmad,
Yes,
you choose the flare gun.
we are choosing right shield. We are choosing right shield. I am choosing right shield. I'll camp here. Just camp here and let those two guys fight. I'll cover you. Go behind me. Okay, now we fight them. Because now we have no choice. That's the reason. I have a shorty. We have to fight them. We don't have a choice. On your face, behind you. He went to get the milk. Okay, one guy killed, one remaining.
One went to get the milk.
You, Matt, I will cover you. But I'm thinking to make an edit out of the trick shot I hit, the 40 flick I said yesterday. Where is she? She's
That is
behind
not
you. She's behind you. She's behind you.
Where?
Behind
They
you.
both.
Killed her.
They both.
We are doing the same stat again.
Okay, fine. I'll choose player 10.
Come here, behind me. Come behind me. I'll cover you.
Off the entrance. Now I'm gonna keep my scope there to make sure they won't come.
I'm going to use a shorty. Let them cook each other. We don't care about them.
No, I'm gonna make sure that they can. Why are you running away?
I'm going to cover this entrance with my shorty. Don't care. Wait, if I can, let me go. Okay, never mind. Let them fight. We don't care about them. Get away from there. They're coming. Get away from there. I have shorty. One of them died. Good. Get away from there. We have to change spots. Come up. They're coming. Both of them are coming. Just run. We need to run right now. Yes, now we can kill them. It's a 2v2. But both of them are not on each other's side. Okay, 1v2. Let's go. Kill him. That's a strat to work with. Oh, you got me rolling. But that is the strat to win 2v2. We're going to stay here. I found the perfect stat. Shorty is good for 2v2s. Why are you running? Yeah, we both stay here. Okay. Your choice. Yeah, they do see me. Come on, kill me. I'm going to cover you.
No, in case they come in here, I'm just gonna.
And I'm going to stay here. Stay here, the other entrance. Let them kill each other. One of them is here. Look, just one guy got cooked.
How? Salty?
Yes. Another guy is here. I was medkitting. Help me.
Where?
In front of your face. Let me med. Yeah, you got
Okay, he's
cooked.
salty. I also salted him. He's super low. He's shooting me. Reload.
Yaar, what the hell?
Yes, man.
Bro, they
So
win
they're just
again. They win again.
Okay, I should also do the right then.
Yes. We are not going outside. We're just staying here until and unless 2 people are killed.
Come here. I'm gonna stay here.
I'm going to stay here to kill people with shorty.
Oh, someone is above you. Someone is above you.
Use your the other thing, your primary. Wait, use your right right now. Once subsist strip mine is used.
Look, I'm blue, you're red.
Okay. Blue and red. Okay, so guys, what we're trying to do here is
Wait, among
trying.
the blue people have RPG and player.
Run. We have shorty, we don't care. We have shorty. They can't kill us.
They're on that side, on the gray area.
Wait, we are staying here. We're not going out yet. One of them left. Don't leave him alone.
Very good.
On my face. We can win this. We are winning this for sure. We won. They both are damaged. I did damage to both of them. We won. रुक जा.
Hey, where?
I killed her there. I killed her.
He said, know what we're gonna do. So one of us
We can't do the same strat. We need to. We can't kill the purple guy. We need to kill the blue guys. We need to kill the blue guys first.
No, I have an idea. They never expect us to come here.
Yeah, you're right. They always accept us to base camp. Pull out your sniper. Let's kill them. Don't kill the purple guy at the start. The guy who's using slingshot.
One of them is in the tunnel. They have subspace mine there. I saw them.
The guy with crossbow. Don't kill him yet. He will help us a little. They're fighting in the tunnel. Okay, now we need to fight.
No, they have subspace now.
Both of the subspace trap mine are used. Don't go down. She's coming. Good. Perfect head, bro. One guy left. We can do this. Don't go anywhere. Just don't go anywhere. Now it's a 2v2.
2v1.
No, it's a 2v2. One guy left. The purple's left. Next round. I'm talking about next round.
One of us should go down there to check.
Okay, I'm going by.
No, I'm going.
You're better sniper. I see him. I got cooked.
And I
Good.
cooked. Okay, so now we.
Now we are not using right shield.
Now we should use what they are.
Now we are using the. Don't go anywhere except this white block. Okay, we are not getting off this white block. I did 70 damage to him. He's using knife.
Where did he go?
The girl is coming. Bro, pure auto aim. Use a scope. Think they're lower than you. Did you do 100 damage to the girl? He's behind you. Bro, I'm spamming. He's behind you. He's one shot with anything you want. Behind you. Look behind you. Behind you. Okay, they want.
Okay.
Freak it.
AR. I'm
using bazooka. You use whatever you want.
Then remember when you had that.
I'm going to them. I'm using bazooka.
I'm gonna pretend.
I did 100 damage to someone. Killed that someone. Don't go too close. He has subsystem mine. He has subsystem mine in the tunnels. Don't go in there. I'll try to go in there if I can.
Of course, my sight is not working and my game is lagging.
I had 50 damage to him. Don't go in there. He has a subsystem mine.
I have an idea.
He is lower than us. We can win this. Don't go anywhere. Just stay calm. Never mind. I see him. He's low. He's very low. I did 90 damage. Don't go. Bro, you will die.
Hello.
Yo, Takuna is here. Takuna, next match we play with you. Good boy. Good boy. We cooked them. Good. Okay, so guys, we'll meet you in the next video. This has been too long. So bye.